my god, oh my god, oh my god. Come on, keep pumping, bro. I think we're actually gonna make it to 70k, bro. This is actually fucking perfect, dog. Oh my god, we just hit 70k. Okay, go back to the website right now. Move liquidity, minus button, 100%. Click on confirm. Oh my gosh, we just made. You're not gonna believe what's inside this Phantom wallet. I've made well over $433,000 in just 1 month launching meme coins on my secret website on the Solana blockchain. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Alright, let's get straight to it. Now, the question that most people ask me is, how did you do it? What did you do? I'm gonna be explaining to you guys in very big details how I actually made it all happen. Now, if you go over to a random ass coin, for example, this one, 11A, these coins and all of these coins all start at the bottom, and I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how you can do it too. What we do is we create a coin, we wait for buyers, and then we just dump it all and walk away with hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, if you're locked in, as I am, you're gonna be keeping this video on, dropping everything you're doing, and focusing up. Now, I know a lot of you guys have been losing a ton of money on meme coins. Now, you guys need to drop this trading meme coins thing. I'm telling you guys, all of these coins are bound to fail, are bound to hit zero. If we go to my watch list I made a couple months ago and go over to Barsig, we can see that it hit $300 million in market cap. Now, who do you think this money went to? This money went into Hezbollah's bank account. I'm telling you guys, this is actually the truth about this cold world that we live in. And this is how you guys are going to capitalize off of everything that is happening in this niche. Now, if you go over to coinlabs.fun, this website will let you guys create your own meme coins, and the thing that is so beautiful about this strategy is that it is fully repeatable and you can do it as many times as you please. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me but enjoy the video. Now, if you guys want to be generating hella bread, hella money fucking fast, this is why Coinlabs is the best choice for you guys. First of all, like I said before, it's the best website on YouTube, only legit one out there. Secondly, it requires no coding to launch your coin, so if you don't know the first thing about coding, you are good. Secondly, your coin gets created into the Raydium liquidity pool. Now, what Raydium is the biggest liquidity pool for every big coin out there, like Doge, Peanut, Hezbollah's Cat, all those big coins, okay? And the reason why Coinlabs is so much better than Pump.Fun is because, first of all, when you create your coin on Pump.Fun, it gets dumped into this ocean of bullshit ass coins that don't even get to see the light of day, bro. They don't have any exposure. When you create your coin on coinlabs.fun, the Raydium pool will let you guys be in this category where everyone can see your coin. Legit everybody. And also on Pump.Fun, you guys need to hit a bonding curve of 90,000, which is when your coin hits 90,000, it gets liquidity pool, gets put straight to Raydium. But that shit takes too much time. Now, my favorite way to create tokens on coinlabs.fun is to copy trending meme coins. Now, what this tab is a website going through thousands of shitty meme coins trying to find the ones that are proven to making you money. And what is the other thing that it does? The other thing that it does lets you create the exact same coin, everything the exact same thing. So you don't have to code it, you don't have to add the website, you don't have to do anything other than creating the coin and adding liquidity to the coin. Now, these coins are all proven, as I said, to making you money. And the strategy I use is I find a high enough market cap for a coin to copy while refreshing the list that has a last bought in under 15 seconds. So all of these coins that you see right here are bound to making you money, and it is impossible for you to lose money. Now, for example, if we look at soldiers, Sol, like Solana, Jurs, see that, bro, I would create a coin right now. See, for example, frag, like it is a frog and a frag grenade. That is a good coin. Soldiers, like Sol, like Solana, soldier. See, oh my days, all of these coins have infinite potential. You guys just need to create these coins. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton because I am on vacation. Alright, so we're going to create a coin right now. We're going to refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. Just gonna write my password. Now don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm. All right, now the website is currently creating my token, so all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%, and then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're going to be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed, and then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch, and bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.